Hi, welcome all. So here, I want to take this opportunity and I want to record this video for explaining you the whole process, what we do on each and every mode of uh, place process. So training is one of the mode, and training and placement and end-to-end process, and like employment and stipend, and the lastly payroll service. These all are different modes that we conduct our modules and services that we provide. Okay, so I want to go in detail, and in every module I'll tell you first what all we do in that mode of process, and I'll tell you like the second one who are best to choose what, and the third one I'll just talk about the financials, and I don't disclose any figures, but the process of financial figures we'll discuss. Okay, so the first thing, we have a training module, which is a basic module. This mode, if you are joining, we do conduct trainings, and these are not like a basic trainings. These are involved with some real-time scenarios, and we will cover you some interview questions, and where you can go for an interview with 4+ or 5+ years of experience without any problem. Okay, so that kind of training we do provide, and you can clarify your doubts clarifications, you can have the doubts clarifications in the same training program, and this mock interviews will be conducted in the weekend, like in the Saturday, and we have some real-time project which at the end of the training we will provide you in the same program, in the same duration. Okay, this is all what we do. And after this, we have resume preparation. So in resume, if you see, generally people we used to copy and paste. We, after completion of this training, you no need to do like that. You can create your own project in your own profile. You can keep the client names. Where do you get from them, and how can we pull the client names? These all things we will cover in resume preparation module. And after that, we have like resume marketing. So where you can, once you prepare your resume, you have to market that resume. That all things we will cover in detail again, but you don't need to worry. We will help you like how to do these things. Okay, so this is all the things that we do. And the second thing, who is best to opt this course? The people who are currently working in different skill and want to upgrade. So for example, they are working on skill 1, and they're having working on same skill. Now there is a project in skill 2 in the same company. They don't want to move the company, but they just want to upgrade to the skill 2. So such people will help to the training mode will help to the such people to get enroll with us. Okay, so this is the second thing. And the third thing, whatever the fee based on the skills which you want to upgrade, that skill fees will be disclosed. That fees you can pay in two modes. One is like in at a time, like single installment, and the second one is like installments. So if you go to at a time payment, what will happen? You will get money benefit. You will get money benefit. When you go for two installments, you will get time benefit. So either any one thing you can choose. Installments we can have up to three installments, 2 to 3 installments. Okay, it's based on the fee structure. It's based on the duration of the course as well. Okay, at a time means you can pay at single go, and you can get some benefit at the money perspective. Okay, so this is all with the training mode. This is all with training mode. Shobha, కొద్ది స్లోగా వెళ్ళు. So the next module I want to cover is training and placement. So what all things I have covered in the part of training. So those all things will be taken care here, like the trainings which are helping to cover with the real-time scenarios, interview questions, doubts clarifications, and interviews on Saturdays that will be conducted through the management side. Okay, so here the resume building. So in the training module, this all along with this, we told like we will give you some process on resume preparation and resume marketing as well. Okay, so here we will be doing it. The resume preparation in front of you, like with your presence, with your some knowledge, we will create the resume building, and after that we'll do the resume marketing with our team. There is a team within our office in RMG. We will work with them. Okay, so once we prepare this resume building and resume marketing happens, you will get interview schedules. You will get interview schedules, and in interviews we do support, and you will get some technical support on interviews perspective, and you will get this support with until you get an opportunity, job opportunity. So these all things we do under the phase one. Okay, under the second phase, who is really benefited with this means this is benefited with the people whoever want looking in the training, working currently and looking for the trainings, and moving to another company. They want to move to different company. Okay, so in such a case, those people, they are very busy with the current project roles and all, so they can work with their without any pressure, and this work we will do. Okay, so this helps to them. So the people who are like working currently and looking for a new opportunity in new company, thus people can opt this module. And in this mode, we have the payment process, like first training payment we have to pay. So this training will be decided based on the skill what you are learning, what you are upgrading, the amount that you can pay at a time. There is no uh, installment mode. You should pay at a time, or else you can choose installment also. But if you choose installment, this is about training mode. Okay, we have to clear only 2 installments, not more than that. 2 installments only will be there. And the placement wise, once your offer, the new offer is released, you have to pay the placement fees. That is for like maximum we are trying to figure out within the based on salaries. Okay, so that fee structure will be disclosed in one to one. So first you initially will pay the training program fee, and that fee will be uh, created and will be training started. And in the placement process, you can once your process is done, interview process is done, then you can pay the placement fees as well. So this is all with the training and placement. So the next thing we are going with the placement. In this video, this is the last mode. I'll do separately those other two, but here this is the last. So in this module, you are going to have the only placement. There is no training. So resume building and resume marketing, which will be done by us. Resume building will be done in presence of you to take some understanding of your technical knowledge as well. And resume marketing and interview schedules also will be done. Next, the interview support, like we will help you in interview support technically and some other issues, other perspectives also, like helping on what questions, preparation, everything. So coming to interviews, we'll get supported until you get an opportunity. And this is where the people who already trained on which job they are looking for, and they are already they got trained and they don't want any training, only directly they want placement with currently who are working. So those people can opt this placement, and here some initial amount will be charged, and after getting placement, they will be paying the remaining rest of the amount. Like for suppose total amount is like 10,000 for suppose, and initially you are paying 2,000 for suppose, for example. The 8,000 you have to pay once you get an offer letter. This is for just an example. I have taken the figures. So this is all with the placement. So within these three modules, modes modes, if you have any questions, we can discuss one to one. So I covered in this video with training and placement and placement. So these three are somewhat important. And after getting this video, if you feel you have end-to-end process, we have employment process, stipend process, payroll process. If you want this video also, we can provide you. Okay. So here I want to not to make a more length of video. That is the reason I'm just concluding with this training and placement. If you want to get these videos also, you can ping us. We will share you the links. Okay. And if any questions related to these which I didn't cover, and if you have, we can talk them one on one. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day. Thank you.